So the Realme X7 Max is in the news for quite some time, and the reason for that is the discount that Flipkart was offering on the purchase of this phone. But do you know that this phone is named the Realme GT Neo in China? In case you don't, then let me tell you that the successor of Realme GT Neo is coming soon, and to no surprise, it is called the Realme GT Neo 2. Realme has officially announced on its Weibo profile that the phone is launching in China on the 22nd of September. This means we still have more than a week left for the launch. But as with every upcoming smartphone, there is a lot that we already know about this phone, for example the design and the major specifications. Now there are chances that Realme would launch this phone in India as well, but like last time, do not expect it to launch under the X series. This is because Realme has already said that there won't be any new X series phones because the GT series has replaced the X series in India. So if the GT Neo 2 comes to India, then we are not expecting any change in the name. Anyways, speaking of the design, the Realme GT Neo 2 has some noticeable design changes, with the biggest one being the removal of headphone jack. Now, removing the headphone jack from a phone is not new in 2021, but the thing is, the predecessor had a headphone jack and Realme specifically mentioned the same in its launch event. And now, less than 6 months after the launch of Realme GT Neo, the company is going to remove the headphone jack from the successor. Apart from the headphone jack, another design change is on the back, where the camera module now has a slightly different design. The camera count, however, remains the same. The fingerprint scanner is still under the display, so that is nice, and there is a flat screen with a hole punch in the corner. So that's all about the design. In terms of the specifications, we do know that Realme GT Neo 2 has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 870, which is an upgrade over the Dimensity 1200 of Realme GT Neo. There is also a bigger battery this time at 5000 mAh. For comparison, the Realme GT Neo has a 4500 mAh battery. Another upgrade comes in the display department. Now the resolution and the refresh rate is the same, but the OLED panel is bigger this time at 6.62 inches. So those are the major upgrades that this phone brings. The camera setup remains unchanged, so you get the same triple camera setup on the back with a 64 megapixel primary, an 8 megapixel ultra wide, and a 2 megapixel macro camera. There is the same 16 megapixel selfie camera as well. The price of Realme GT Neo 2 is still a mystery, but Realme GT Neo was very aggressively priced in China when it launched earlier this year, so we are expecting the same to be the case with the Realme GT Neo 2. Anyways, do you want Realme to launch this phone in India? If yes, then what should be the price of this phone in India? Do let me know your opinions in the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.